Good morning, everybody. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Carole Fousse. I'm the CEO and founder of Cebelia. First of all, please apologize if it's not perfect, but it's a strange exercise as I'm speaking with you thanks to a video, so not directly. First of all, I would like to tell you why it is very important this launching in Mexico. Because maybe the first important thing is that we have two main opportunities in the Mexican country. First of all, as you know, the aesthetic medical market is a booming market, as it is everywhere in the world, but especially in the American continent. And secondly, there is really a new trend concerning cosmeceuticals, is that now they are really emerging as one of the key segments in the aesthetic medical market. It means that both patients and doctors are really willing to add some skin product in order to enhance the recovery and also the efficiency of the acts. So it means that really now the doctors, they know that they have to do a procedure, but then they will have to add a product in order to enhance the result on the skin, because the beauty is not only to have a tight figure, a tight face, a nice nose, but also to have a nice skin. This is why a line like Cebelia is really now taking part into the doctor's routine and the patient at home. So these are the main two opportunities for you in the Mexican market. But also you have a very big strength in your hands. First of all, your position, Overnia position on the Mexican market is really strong. The doctors trust you, they trust the product that Overnia is launching on the market. They know that when you choose a product, it is a strong one, an efficient one, that has scientific data, efficiency tests, etc. So it means that when you present Cebelia, the doctor knows that they will have in mind and in hands very interesting products. Of course, the second strength is Cebelia itself. It means that Cebelia has, first of all, patents, exclusive patents. Why exclusive? Because we are the only one able to use them on the skin in the world. So you have this patent on the healing and the other patent on the depigmenting. So on the two main markets of the anti-aging market. The second point is that we have also very specific formulas that we developed for the doctors and with the doctors. It means that first we understood what they need, what are the side effects of the procedures, and then we sourced the ingredients, including our own patents, in order to get them in the formulas. Then we will have a look also at the texture itself. For example, the LC balm, it's a silicone gel, which was chosen in order to have this dressing, in order to enhance the healing process. And then when we have the formula, we test it with the doctors until we got the proper result. So all the products are done like this. We understood the side effect, we source the ingredients, we formulate, and then we test. So it means that for each product, you can be very sure about it, and the product, they exactly do what they say. We never overpromised. This is really important for us, and it's really important also for the brand and also for you, because you will present a very reliable product to your doctors. So this is the second strength, your position, and Cebelia with its own experience and its exclusive ingredients and patents and formulas. Of course, I know that it's hard at the beginning, at the launching, because we don't have any notoriety. So it means that you are the key in order to push our notoriety among the doctors, in order to make the products well known in the Mexican aesthetic medical market. But this is really your strength, your know-how, and this is why we really want, when I say we, it's Emmanuel and me, want you to be the actors of this launching. This is why we give you a lot of tools. I know that Emmanuel is helping you with a lot of commercial tools, including, of course, testers, in order the doctors to test the product before using them and prescribing them. But myself, I'm very also engaged in the promotion. I went for the launching, and I remember I have seen like maybe 60 or 80 doctors in less than 1 week. And I will come back next December in order to visit other KOL with Emmanuel and Alma. But also we are engaged in a lot of international congress like EADV. It was in September, and we saw like 35 Mexican doctors during this congress. And we will be at IMCAS in Paris and also in EMWC in Monaco. So we have a nice booth, of course, but we can give some samples to doctors. We can explain them the product. We are participating to the congress. So it's a really important investment for us, but also for you. And this is why also we need you to really speak every month to the doctor about Cebelia, about the three products, the three main products that you launch, the LC balm, the extreme care, and the depigmenting, but also with the new tights, and soon with the eye brightening, because we know that if we start very regularly, we will convince each doctor, and when we have convinced him, he will keep the product in mind and in hands to sell it to his patients. So I know it's long, I know it could be sometimes taking your time, but you will have a return on your investment, because each time a doctor is convinced, then he's reliable, and we know that he will buy and buy again, because the patient will be happy with the result and the products. So really we need you to push on this market. As you may know, Mexican is the first American country that we launch, so you cannot fail. We really want you to succeed with us, because we have really an aim to develop this American market. You maybe know that we are quite strong in Asia with China, which is one of our first country. We are also present in India, Indonesia. Then the second area is the Middle East, with mainly Saudi Arabia, but also Kuwait, and in North Africa, Morocco. And of course, we are sold in France, in pharmacies mainly, which is the only country where we sell in pharmacy. Maybe I can give you some figures which are quite interesting. You have to know that we sell 11 LC balm each hour, 6 extreme care, and 4 reinforced depigmenting. So right now, that's the beginning for me. It's the beginning of 5 p.m. We have already sold maybe like 6 balm, 3 extreme care, and 2 reinforced depigmenting in the world. So now I hope that with Mexico we'll add at least 1 unit for these 3 products. I don't have any figures for the tights, because we just launched them with you in Mexico, in France, and in Kuwait. So it's too new to give you some results. But I hope that next year I will be able to tell exactly the same, 1 tights per hour. So I wish you a lot of success. I wish us a lot of success. And of course, I've already told Emmanuel that if you have any question from the doctors, if they need any study, clinical test, technical data, of course we are there. Alma has my email and WhatsApp, and she can call whenever she needs. So thank you a lot, and hope to see you soon. Maybe I will see some of you in Mexico in December. Goodbye.